Right, let's do it. Oh, boss time. That looks like a rocket. Oh dear.
If I was an alien in need of saving, where would I be? Experience has taught me to investigate anything that glows.
That's the aliens. Not good.
Experience has also taught me that the best way to solve problems is to kick robot butt.
Visitors are cautioned to avoid eating, petting, or saving any aliens.
Excuse me, giant killer robot? You want to do this the hard way or the easy way?
What in God's name?
Somehow I knew you'd say that. Let's dance.
Cool, let's do it. Whoa, hello there, cannons. Not good, cannon. And how do I get up there? But, I see, right, I see. Clever. Nice. Please tell me that's not the boss. Oh, right, I see. There's different sections to go on there. Okay, that's pretty cool.
It's only just starting now. Don't let him pressure you.
I know. Ah, now the boss actually starts. Cool. Ah! Need some rings. There we go, got him. This is really weird. Boom. Bye. Back on the... Whoa, I just went beam me up Scotty and I just went, woo, let's go. Ah! This is so fun. I just thought I'd point that out. Down we go again. Guess we'll have to repeat this 3 times, but it's still pretty fun. Ah, so many of these little bastards. Oh my god! I thought that would work, guess not. Oh good, I'm not dead. I have rings. Some form of ring. Experience has taught me that you must kill the giant robot. Boom. Is it over or is he actually... No, one more phase I guess. Oh no, it is over. Die then. I love how you can collect all the rings that they have. It's pretty cool. Give me a nice amount of rings before the end. Pretty cool. I might actually get an S in this. Oh, I don't have an S. So close. Oh, give me another. Oh yeah. I'll take that. So close. Oh well. Cutscene time, I guess. Eggman will know we're here now.
Hey, Tails.
Really does.
It's the BBBE.
Huh?
Best boss break ever.
Nice.
So, has Yacker given you any more information or limericks or whatever it is he's spouting?
Well, first, remember, this translation stuff isn't 100%.
Trust me, I remember.
So anyway, these aliens are made up of a really powerful energy source called hyper-go-ons. It's inside of them.
Like a battery?
No. Well, sort of. It's their life force. And you only got a taste of it. Look at what happened. Battery is sort of an understatement. The funny thing, it was first translating as horrible body odor. Anyway, it seems an evil man, and you might know him, who they call Baldy Nosehair.
Baldy Nosehair? That's the best thing I've heard all day. I gotta remember that one.
I know, I've already written it down. Anyway, he's draining them of their power, all their power, and using it for an evil aquatic mammal? An evil dolphin? No, a porpoise. Oh, an evil purpose.
That's good intel. Keep working on it.
Hey, where are you going?
To find Baldy McNosehair, of course. I'm totally calling him McNosehair.
So cool. I love this game.
Next up.
Oh, this is good. Right. Let's go here. Whoa. I see a new wisp. Whoa! We're upside down! Ah! Fucking awesome! This is amazing. I'm loving this right now. You have no idea. Oh, wow. I need some rings. Give me some rings. There we go. Much better. Ah, that was a bad idea. Yeah, I have rings. Ah, they blew up. Nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't see that coming. Okay, I know what to do now. I just really didn't see that coming. Is there a way of restarting? Aha! Do I lose life? Probably. But at least I don't have I have a reset timer. Haha! Instead of 38 seconds wasted. Ha ha ha. This is so awesome. This game is blowing me away. I've done 2 worlds already and I'm already pretty much speechless. Now we go. And then they die. Whoa, that's so cool. Woohoo! Blowing me away here, game. Haha, nice. We're in a disco room. I think it's appropriate to say the thing, let's do a dance-off. What the hell? Whoa. Cool. Come on, do it again. Yeah. That's more like it. I have no idea what that does. Oh, we didn't see that at all. Ah. There we go. Not touching that. Don't know what that does. It does something, and that's all that matters. Ah, I see. Right. Cool. So awesome. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, Sega. I've fallen in love. I'm actually crying. Nice. Oh, there was a thing there. God. I got 100 rings, but I didn't get a lot. That's mildly disappointing, but I suppose it's because we get it at the end. So apparently you get stuff just for doing the quick step. Points, quick step with galore, la 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 la. La 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 la. Whoa! Into the black hole of doom. Holy Jesus. Please say I don't have to do anything because I'm not going to see it and I'm going to die. Holy fuck. Really astonishing, Sega. Oh shit. Holy. Where am I? That was a bad idea. He's gonna crush me. No, yeah. Oh, running out of time. This is bad. This is very bad. Ah, Baldy McNosehair is going to kill me. see where this is going. It takes you to a different one. And this one will take you to the platform. I get it. Very nice touch. Interesting, unique, somewhat puzzle. Not really a puzzle, it just does it for you. Shit! That was a bad idea, wasn't it? It was. Really should have waited. Don't know what that does in this situation. Does something though. Run, 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 run as fast as you can. Can't touch me, I'm the dead man! The time was going so well as... Oh, no, it's not. It's a shame, really. Oh, that's what I could have done. Gay. Oh, well. Shit. I could really use that. I'm gonna die now, aren't I? Boom. Let's go, 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 go. Whew. This level is long, but it's so awesome. Oh, man. It's so beautiful. Give me rings. Give me stoic. Give me rings. Give me stoic. That is amazing. That was a truly spectacular level. It looked amazing. I failed miserably though. Especially near the end when I died so many times. Give me my life. Oh, I got them all. Oh yeah. Put them on. Let's do another level. The blue guys. The true blue guys. Nice, let's do it. This is such a cool world. Ah, the music's pretty nice as well. It all reminds me somewhat of Persona 4. Woo! Give me the blue. Don't know what it'll do, but give me the blue. It's like the super slow way. Oh! Wish I knew that before. That was such a bad idea. Why do I think that would be a great idea? Nah, bad idea. I hear the end of the level. Oh wait, there isn't it. Oh, I was going to say, there's no way of getting to it. But yes, there is. I'm being stupid. Well, that was fun. Give me my lives. Since I lost loads of them at the last few levels. Yay! I got them all again. It's really easy, actually. Right. See ya.